community, to the IGAD, to the African Union, to the African countries, to the political parties, to the opposition leaders in South Sudan. It is said that Johnson Oloy and Paul Nang are preparing for a coup in the country because the president told them that the person that is going to be the next president might emerge from the jail. And they're asking themselves, is it Dr. Benjamin Bolmel? Is it General Akolkol? Or is it the heavyweight himself, Dr. Riek Machar, the first vice president of South Sudan? So you need to be ready, South Sudanese. You need to take good care of yourself. Anytime such rumors started, we know what these devils can do. And we are calling for the international community, for UN. Why do you give South Sudanese sovereignty that you are not ready to protect? Why give us sovereignty that is killing us? Why give us a sovereignty that you cannot even prevent or protect? If this thing is going to finish and wipe out South Sudanese, please take back your sovereignty. Please take it back because it's finishing us. South Sudan have become a corner of massacre. It have become a graveyard for our children, our women, our youths. It is finishing us. Enough is enough. Trump, come out. You are the only president that I've seen that want to solve the world. The world is not being solved through voices, through human rights documents. This document don't work. And this document don't work in dictatorship country like South Sudan and Uganda. Come and take them. Do what you do to Venezuela to them. Do what you did to Iran, to these people. Take Museveni, take President Kiir. They were tired and sanctioned Paul Nang and Johnson Oloy and everybody that participated. Thank you. Long live South Sudan.